In today's fast-paced world, the pursuit of financial security and independence has never been more crucial. Many individuals dream of escaping the 9-to-5 grind and achieving financial freedom. One effective way to realize this dream is by creating passive income streams. Passive income is the holy grail of wealth building, as it allows you to earn money while you sleep, providing you with financial security and the freedom to pursue your passions. In this video, we will explore the ins and outs of creating a passive income stream, from understanding the concept to practical steps you can take to get started. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting, these strategies will help you build a more secure financial future. Understanding passive income. Passive income is money earned with minimal effort or direct involvement. It is the opposite of active income, which requires consistent effort and time to generate. Passive income can come from various sources, including investments, rental properties, royalties, and businesses that operate without your active participation. Here are some common forms of passive income. 1. Dividend stocks. Investing in dividend-paying stocks allows you to earn a portion of a company's profits regularly. Many successful investors have built substantial wealth by holding dividend stocks in their portfolios. The key is to invest in stable companies with a history of consistent dividend payments. 2. Real estate. Owning rental properties is a classic way to generate passive income. Rental income from tenants can provide a steady cash flow, and property values often appreciate over time. Real estate investment trusts, REITs, offer another way to invest in real estate without the hassles of property management. 3. Peer-to-peer lending. Platforms like Prosper and Lending Club enable you to become a lender and earn interest on loans made to individuals or small businesses. While there are some risks involved, it can be a viable way to generate passive income. 4. Create and sell intellectual property. If you have expertise in a particular field, consider creating and selling intellectual property such as ebooks, online courses, or software. Once created, these assets can generate income without ongoing effort. 5. Start a blog or YouTube channel. While building a blog or YouTube channel requires significant upfront effort, once you've established a substantial audience, you can earn passive income through advertising, sponsored content, affiliate marketing, and merchandise sales. 6. Royalties. If you're a creative individual, you can earn royalties from your artistic work, including books, music, patents, or trademarks. These royalties can provide a steady stream of income for years to come. The advantages of passive income. Creating passive income streams offers a multitude of advantages that can significantly impact your financial well-being and overall quality of life. 1. Financial freedom. The primary goal of passive income is to achieve financial freedom. When you have consistent streams of passive income, you're less reliant on a traditional job or active income sources, giving you more control over your time and financial decisions. 2. Diversification. Building multiple passive income streams can diversify your sources of income. Diversification reduces risk and provides stability, ensuring that a setback in one income source doesn't have a catastrophic impact on your financial health. 3. Wealth accumulation. Passive income can help you accumulate wealth over time. Instead of spending all your earnings, you can reinvest your passive income to grow your assets further. This compounding effect can accelerate your journey to financial independence. 4. More free time. Passive income allows you to reclaim your most valuable asset, time. As your passive income streams grow, you can reduce your reliance on active income sources and enjoy more leisure time, pursue hobbies, or even start a new venture. How to create a passive income stream. Now that you understand the benefits of passive income, let's dive into the practical steps you can take to create your own passive income stream. 1. Set clear financial goals. Before embarking on your passive income journey, define your financial goals. What level of passive income are you aiming for? What's your timeline for achieving it? Having clear, specific goals will help you stay motivated and focused. 2. Assess your current financial situation. Take a close look at your current financial situation. Calculate your income, expenses, and existing investments. Understand your net worth and debt levels. This assessment will provide a baseline from which you can measure your progress. 3. Educate yourself. Knowledge is the foundation of successful investing and income generation. Invest time in learning about the different passive income options available and the associated risks and rewards. Consider reading books, attending seminars, or seeking advice from financial professionals. 4. Build an emergency fund. Before you start investing for passive income, ensure you have an emergency fund. This fund should cover at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. Having a financial safety net will give you peace of mind and prevent you from tapping into your passive income sources prematurely. 5. Start small and scale up. If you're new to passive income, begin with a small investment or project. As you gain experience and confidence, you can gradually scale up your efforts. Avoid the temptation to invest heavily in something you don't fully understand. 6. Invest wisely. Diversify your investments to spread risk. Consider a mix of dividend stocks, bonds, real estate, and other income-generating assets. Research and choose investments that align with your risk tolerance and financial goals. 7. Automate your investments. Set up automatic contributions to your investment accounts. Automation ensures that you consistently invest, even when life gets busy. It's a powerful way to harness the magic of compounding. 8. Real estate investments. If you're interested in real estate, start by researching local rental markets. Look for properties in areas with strong rental demand and potential for appreciation. Property management can be time-consuming, so consider hiring a property management company if needed. 9. Online ventures. If you're inclined toward online ventures like blogging or creating YouTube content, focus on quality and consistency. Building an audience takes time, but with dedication, you can monetize your platform through various income streams like ads, affiliate marketing, and product sales. 10. Monitor and adjust. Regularly review your passive income sources and investment portfolio. Assess their performance and make adjustments as necessary. Sometimes, it's wise to reinvest profits or pivot to a different income source if one isn't performing as expected. 11. Stay committed. Creating passive income streams is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires patience, discipline, and perseverance. Stay committed to your financial goals and continue to educate yourself about new opportunities and strategies. Common pitfalls to avoid. While building passive income streams can be highly rewarding, there are some common pitfalls to be aware of. 1. Lack of patience. Building substantial passive income takes time. Don't expect immediate results, and be prepared for setbacks along the way. 2. Ignoring risk. Every investment carries some level of risk. Avoid investing in anything too good to be true and ensure your portfolio is diversified to spread risk. 3. Overextending. Don't overextend yourself financially by investing more than you can afford to lose. Always maintain a financial safety net. 4. Neglecting taxes. Be aware of the tax implications of your passive income sources. Consult with a tax professional to optimize your tax strategy. 5. Failing to adapt. Economic conditions change, and so should your investment strategy. Be flexible and willing to adapt to new opportunities and challenges. Conclusion. Creating passive income streams is a powerful way to achieve financial freedom and security. Whether you're looking to supplement your active income or replace it entirely, passive income can provide the means to live life on your terms. Remember that building passive income takes time, effort, and continuous learning. Start small, stay committed to your goals, and be prepared to adapt to changing circumstances. With dedication and smart financial choices, you can pave the way to a brighter financial future and the freedom to pursue your passions.